Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play with KJ. Playing with KJ is a delightful experience that offers many hours of fun and engagement. To start, it's essential to grasp the basic principles and understand what makes KJ unique. We'll cover the core elements, the main objective, and the fundamental rules that guide your interaction. Get ready to unlock the joy of playing with KJ. Before diving into the fun, a little preparation goes a long way. First, ensure you have a clear and safe space, perhaps a flat surface measuring at least 2 by 2 feet. Next, gather any specific accessories KJ might require, like 1 or 2 small tokens. Always check that KJ is ready for action, and finally, set up a cozy spot to maximize your enjoyment. These simple steps ensure a smooth start to your play. Now, let's get to the heart of playing with KJ. The key is active engagement and observation. Begin by following the established sequence of moves, perhaps making one move at a time. Pay close attention to how KJ reacts to your actions. This feedback is crucial. Don't be afraid to try new strategies or experiment with different approaches. Consistent practice, even for just 10 minutes daily, will significantly enhance your skills and fun. To truly master and enjoy KJ, consider enhancing your experience. You might explore creative modifications, perhaps introducing 1 or 2 new rules to personalize your game. Sharing your unique KJ experiences with friends can also build a vibrant community. Challenge yourself with specific goals, like achieving a certain score within 5 minutes. Finally, tracking your progress, perhaps noting your best 3 scores, will show how much you've grown with KJ.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.